Tool lots. Reliable equipment. Fast.
Hi, my name is Kyle LaRue and I'm with Tool Lots, and today we're going to be doing some maintenance on our KRC20 chocolate conch refiner. Specifically, we're going to be doing a cleaning. One method of cleaning is you can use water and baking soda. So you can use about 2 to 3 gallons of water and then about 1 kilogram of baking soda. But this must be followed with a cleaning using some type of edible oil. So today we're going to be using a vegetable oil and roughly 5 gallons. So you're also going to want maybe some towels nearby and some sort of storage container for the oil. And the cycle times are going to be anywhere from 1 hour to 2 hours. And so let's go ahead and get started. So let's take our storage container and we'll go ahead and set it underneath our outlet port. Make sure we have our ball valve closed. We can go ahead and remove one of our inlet lids. And we can go ahead and begin adding our oil. And again, you want to make sure that your front lid is completely sealed during this process. Obviously, you don't want any leakage. Let's check the level, make sure we're not too full. Maybe we'll add not quite 5 gallons, maybe 4.5. Yeah, maybe 4 1/4. That should be good. Okay, let's go ahead and put our lid back on. Make sure it's the proper way, nice and sealed. Let's go ahead and turn the machine on. We can go ahead and turn our water heater on. We can check our set temperature. It's at 40 degrees Celsius. So you can go ahead and start running the machine, even though it's not at 17 degrees, or not at 40 degrees Celsius yet. It'll continue to heat up as the material is being mixed. So we have both our lids covered, so let's go ahead and begin running our machine. You're going to want to let this run again for about 2 hours per cycle. So once this is done, we'll go ahead and check back in 2 hours and wrap it up and remove the material out. Okay, so after 2 hours of rinsing and flushing, we're going to go ahead and remove all of the oil inside of the conch. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to open up our ball valve and remove our material. And you can see the liquid is very clear, and this is after its 3rd cycle. So this is a good indication that we've had a successful cleaning. So once your machine is fully done emptying, you can go ahead and close off your ball valve, and now your machine is clean and ready for its next use. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.